This is London with MarketHedge. Let's go over the trades on Bitcoin. Taking a look at that 4-hourly RSI, the green line on your screen. Guys, hit the like button if you trade RSI. VIP, what's going on? Hope you're doing well. You see, I scheduled in those shorts yesterday. Remember, 100 shorts. What happened? I know it was a lot of orders input on MarketHedge. Well, we did profit a little bit. I went ahead and took at $3,500, $3,600 in profit, minus $800 in commissions. Just a small take. I want you to see what that looks like before we go over some of the technicals, taking a look at the specific trades that were closed. 56 trades overall closed, okay? So when you're looking at 50 plus trades that are closing, it makes a big difference if they're in the profit, say $200 a piece, et cetera, et cetera. We could have caught a little bit more on this secondary drop, but I decided to take kind of the safe route. Actually, let me zoom in. Secondary drop, that was here. Bam, on that secondary drop, but decided to kind of play it safe and just make sure I locked in the profit. So in terms of where we're at right now, let's discuss the secondary trade, the carry trade that I currently have. Remember the upside target? What are we looking for on Bitcoin? We're looking for this specific, beautifully well-constructed, might I say, you guys see it, the bull flag. So in terms of the bull flag, yeah, the top level resistance right now is a little bit higher. It's that 109, okay, 108. 109. Like to get to that top side resistance with my smaller trade. And guys, just an example of what can occur with hedging, right? Multiple positions. I've got, what is this, 5 orders stacked right now, carrying up $222 at 222 leverage. Each one of these is about $4,500 plus in the profit for $23,000. The important thing is $1,000 turned into $23,000. It's nice to see that possibility in the market, period. If that's happening in a market, I want to know about it. If that's going on, I want you to know about it. It's going on with MarketHedge. We'll talk about all the other details incoming. The most important aspect today is we've got to A, get to the level of resistance, and then B, expect a little bit of chop here, potentially at least a reconfirmation, and then boom, we got to move to the upside. Now, Bitcoin could be very tricky on bull flags. Everyone agree? Let's take a recent look at how tricky she can be on bull flags. Do you know how many times we busted in this area? This was not fun. This was not nice. This was Bitcoin just with a ground and pound session against all the traders. So look at what we've gone through here compared to the miserable suffering for 8 months sideways. Now, tons of hedging, right? Tons of hedging, order stacking in a range, printing cash, right? So we're here, we feel familiar. We know she likes that she can bite sometimes. What I'll say is never overexposed at any higher price, always with heavy cash reserves. And if you're getting in now on the long, maybe a little bit late. What do you guys think? Maybe a little bit late, unless you want to trade that breakout up and over level of resistance. Wait for the confirmation. This is a great time to actually stack and actually hedge long below. Do we agree? You see, when you hedge long below, what are you doing? You're saying, fine, I'll take a position. I'll take a position here, but I want to cover the field below. So if she does pull back, I just want to increase my exposure. Get ready for an additional secondary move to the upside after a fake out. And again, there we honestly want to be prepared and fully covered all the way down through the level of support. If you don't know what market hedging is, take a look at the last video. I go over a 100 order implementation in terms of the shorts there. Guys, this is London. I'm going to go ahead and carry this specific trade. I would short again, to tell you the truth, because that 4-hourly RSI did, in fact, provide multiple nice shorts. Guys, this is money. Look at this. Nice shorts. Now, do you have to walk around and short Bitcoin all day? No, don't scream it from the rafters. But hey, guys, nice level of interaction on that 4-hourly RSI overbought. Yes, the bulls backing off just a little bit and the sellers engaging. Shorts are paying. Bam, bam, bam. That was the reason I stacked in those specific shorts yesterday. 100 of them, and they paid mildly. Now, we'll see in terms of launching into another specific level of shorts. I may get I don't need some sleep. You guys need some sleep? That's the one thing about these trades. They can keep you up. If you're in an international time zone, guys, congratulations. Just hit the like button. Let's see what Bitcoin wants to do. The bulls are going to need to get up and over this 4-hourly RSI. It's going to be the defining factor, let me say that, defining factor in terms of the ability for us to push up and over what? Up and over the bull flag. We're going to need to go intergalactic on this 4-hourly RSI. Push it. Bulls got to go super trend on this, guys. Let's talk about it. Let's watch it as it happens and trade. Always within your limitations. Never, guys, never. Never overexposed at any higher price. This is London with MarketHedge. Hope you're doing well. We'll have a great rest of the week here. Things are smoothing out internationally. Let's expect Bitcoin to lead the way in the markets. Some nice action. You guys take care of yourself. This is London with MarketHedge.